Okay. Time for me to put together the Star Wars transporter for the droids. 75089. And I already have little guys put together. Jar Jar Binks, so thrilled to death with Jar Jar and the droids. Okay. But anyhow, I'm going to start with the front. Front. I don't know, engine or whatever. Alright, so we start off with this piece. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Maybe I can zoom in a little bit. That piece. I wonder how light is that. As good as you can get. Then you need 4 of these. Alright. Then you have this piece. And then you have a small piece right here. Goes right there. Then you assemble the side pieces. So I'll set this over to the side. You gotta make 2 of these. So start off with 1. Oops, other way around. And you grab these wrench or hand pieces. More of these. Right in front of that one. And then you have 1, 2 of those. Place them. Then 2 of these. All right. Then it says you take that and you place them with this brown piece, dark brown, black, dark, yeah, just like this. Okay, so again, what it looks like. And of course, you know, I may be missing a few pieces. But we need to have 2 of these. Put them right here. The little clip piece facing forward. And then you have a one of these right there. Next, you take this 4 piece and 2 of these. 2 pieces. Just like that. Then you grab these 2 pieces. Just like that. Then that goes right there. Then you take I must be missing a piece. I am. It's a dark gray piece. Oh. See what happened to it. It was right there. Then you flip it over. Right down here on this side, take a clear piece, clear round piece, another clear round piece, right there. Then you flip it back over, and you have this piece. It goes right there. You have, oops, this piece goes over those 2. And then I don't have the piece that goes right here. It's it actually looks like this piece, but I don't have another one of those. It's supposed to go right there like that. Okay, but I don't have it. I have to get another one sometime, order it, buy it, or whatever, which is what I hate. I'm always missing a piece here and there. And then on top of this, you have these 2. I guess maybe I'm missing one of them. It'd be terrible. Yeah, it looks like I'm missing one. I had them both. So anyhow, you have one on one side, one on the other like that. Ah, there it is. Okay. Then you make the front part of it. Start off with this this piece, you put right there. Take one of these pieces, put it right there. You take two more of those same pieces, one right there, and one right there. Then you take this piece, put it right there like that. Okay. Then you have a brown piece and this one funny shaped piece here. This one goes there like that, and this piece goes on the back of it like that. Then you have another assembly here, which is this black piece and the gray piece. Put them together right here like this. Okay, put this brown piece on them, just like that. You take one of these darlings, and there you are. Next, you take this piece, and with the black side up, you attach it to that brown piece and that other piece right there like that. Okay? Then, you have this pipe-like piece right there. Shove it down in there, right there. And then you take the two little horns. See it right there? They go right down in here, pointing up, or pointing out. I think they point out like that. Then you have this piece, and another one of those clear pieces. So I put the clear piece right on that gray piece like this. And I put it, a little hole right there, like that. Then this piece slides right on there. Okay. Then this piece snap right into those like that. And other than the piece right back here, this is now done.